God. That is original form is finished. What is it? I can go carry on. I can stop now. Question answer. Time is finished.
No, Professor, it is recording is going on, recording. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
time is still
Sorry.
here. Yes.
Yeah. So, but 40-minute only class. I will speak 25 minutes, then 10-minute question answer. Yeah.
Yes, Professor.
Then those who are devotee, they like, especially Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they like 200 form of Krishna, Shyam Sundar form of Krishna. That is perfect form of God. Therefore, Srila Prabhupada here quoted the words, Itham satam brahma sukhan bhutva dasyaгаtanam paradaivatena maya sitanam nardarakena sakam vijaruhu krita punya punja. Explaining this cowherd boys, they were not ordinary cowherd boys. In their previous lives, they had performed so much pious activity. Therefore, they became the friend of Krishna. It is very difficult to become the friend of Krishna. Who is Krishna? He is God. It is very difficult even in this material world to become the friend of president. What about to become a friend of God? So if you want to become a friend of Krishna, you have to come on the same level. How is it possible? But God is so merciful. He is very merciful. He likes this relationship. Therefore, he wants to accept some his devotee as a friend. But you have to become very qualified. If you want to love with Krishna, it's not easy to develop love. Without love, nobody can become servant, nobody can become friend, nobody can become parents, nobody can become conjugal lover. So what is a qualification? Qualification is described in Chaitanya Charitamritam. Krishna Nishtha, Krishna Tyage. These two qualities is every devotee should develop. If somebody wants to develop love of Krishna, they are not material happiness. Swarga Moksha Krishna Bhakta Naraka Karimani Krishna Nishtha Krishna Tyage यही दुई गुण शांतिर यही दुई गुण कहते हैं two qualities prominent in all the type of devotees. If somebody does not develop two quality, he cannot establish his relationship with Krishna. What is that quality? Quality is Krishna Nishtha. He must develop, he should develop Nishtha. Nishtha means he should become firm fixed in devotional service. That is called Nishtha. Nobody can move him. Nobody can convince him Krishna is not God. He is fully convinced. And second is Krishna Tyage. Krishna means material hankering. He should renounce material hankering. Unless somebody develops detachment from material hankering, he cannot become fixed in devotional service. It is not possible. Either if you have these two things, then you can become best servant. Because somebody is hankering for material things, he cannot serve Krishna. Therefore, Prahlad Maharaj says, when Krishna started Lord Nrsimhadev, he told to Prahlad Maharaj, please offer, take some benediction. I am ready to give you whatever you want. Prahlad Maharaj told, you are doing business with me? This is business of Bandik. You have to give same thing. No, I am your servant. I am your bona fide servant. You are my bona fide master. There is no other relationship. I am not your servant because of material things. So therefore, if you want to serve Krishna, must develop detachment from material hankering. And when we develop detachment from material hankering, then we become firm fixed in devotional service. Then question comes, how we develop develop material detachment, because this is nature of devotional service. When we start performing devotional service, bhakti paresanu bhakti paresanu virakti anyat syat tin ek kala hai. When we start performing devotional service, automatically detachment appears. Two things cannot go together. No, material attachment and devotional service does not go together. Effect of devotional service is immediately we develop distaste from material hankering. Therefore, in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, param drishtva nivartate. When we start performing devotional service, we develop higher taste. Otherwise, how to possible to stop meat eating, stop drinking, illicit sex, intoxication? How is it possible? That is a nectar in this material world. Nectar of in this material world is drinking, illicit sex, intoxication, gambling. These are the nectar. But this nectar becomes distasteful. How? Param drishtva nivartate, because devotional service, loving relation with Krishna is a higher taste. So this lower taste automatically we reject. So it is not difficult. It is not difficult if we start performing devotional service under the guidance of advanced devotees. What is the meaning of advanced devotee? Means those who have, if somebody has a fix in devotional service, this means he has no more material hankering. How we can understand his fix? He is staying at the temple full time? No, that is not a judgment. Fix means he is following his sadhana very strictly, without any effort. Just like somebody trying to chant, somebody chanting. So fixed means he's not trying to chant, he's chanting, because this means he has developed taste. Adav Shraddha, tata sadhu sang, ata bhajan kriya, tata anarth nivritti sya, tata nishtha. This fourth stage. So automatic nishtha, when fixed, then the result will, what will be result? Oh, he will develop ruchi, interest. For interest means interest in devotional service, in chanting, in hearing. It is not only he is preaching only on the Vyasasana, he is speaking. No, he has other taste also. Without he wants to chant, he wants to hear without Vyas alone. Even if he is there, same thing he can do with so many people. He can do alone also. He is fully satisfied. This is meaning he is fixed in devotional service. And result will be judged. Oh, he is fixed. That's why he is not hankering for material things. These you can see Arjun. He is fully fixed. He has a loving relation with Krishna. Therefore, he did not change his mind. Krishna did not request him. He just, because he wanted, just like Mataji told, he wanted to see for other people. He not for himself, for other people. Therefore, Krishna told, no problem. He gave him transcendental eyes. Later on, he lamented, I want to see your 200 form. Tomadi Deva Purusha Purana, Thomas Asya Viswasya Nidha. You are the, I can understand, you are the oldest personality. I was thinking, you are my friend, now you are God. He became very fearful, but could not exist long time. Immediately he requested, please show me your 200 form. So those who develops a loving relation with Krishna, he is fully satisfied only 200 form of Krishna. That is the conclusion of this purport. So I don't have much time. Now my time is over. We have some 10 minutes time for question and answer. Somebody has any question can ask. Yes, Parth Prabhu? Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare
Hare Krishna. Rajkishore Mataji has a question.
Yes.
Kishori Mataji has a question, Prabhuji. Done with Pranam. Raj Kishori Mataji, please unmute and ask your question, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. You are saying that the transcendental eyes is for the two-handed form. And I used to think that it was for a universal form, because two-handed form, quite a lot of devotees do see. Universal form that Arjun was given was only for Arjun. So can you give some light on that subject, please?
Arjun requested him already. Mataji told that he wanted to see for all of us. As a pure devotee, they don't want, he's fully satisfied. Just like when I'm giving example for your understanding, when Uddhav went to see, to pacify Brajavasis, when he met Nanda Baba, then Nanda Baba started lamenting, they discussed so much, but I am giving example. And then Uddhav told, you are most fortunate person, because Krishna is Narayan himself. He is existing everywhere, everyone's heart. You are most fortunate person. This because Nanda Baba has a loving relation with Krishna. He did not appreciate the Upadesh instruction of Uddhav. He told, I was thinking, just see the Acharya says, just see the Nanda Baba's comment on Uddhav's instruction. Nanda Baba told, I was thinking he's most learned person, this Uddhav. His disciple of Brihaspati, now I could understand he has no intelligence. I lost my son. I am most unfortunate person. He is telling you are most fortunate person. He did not appreciate Krishna is God, because he has loving relationship, Vatsalya ras with Krishna. Vatsalya ras will not allow. Same thing, Arjun has already Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena. Brahma Samhita says loving eyes. So he has this relationship. So where is the question of seeing universal form? But he saw only universal form for all of us to prove, oh, Krishna is God.
Okay,
Is it okay, Mataji?
Thank you very much. Yes, it's okay.
If you have any comment, please do.
Yes, Prabhuji, Hare Krishna. Prabhuji, here you describe with the Gwalbala, the Gopas in the Brajabhumi, and the parents also, they don't consider Krishna as the supreme personality of Godhead. When they are playing with Krishna, they do some mistake, they do some offense. Is that not harmful for them?
Why harmful? Friend can climb on the shoulder of friend. Krishna becomes more happy than somebody doing his arati when his friends climb on his shoulder. He becomes more happy. It is described in Chaitanya Charitamrita because he likes this relationship. He likes this relationship.
The thing is that Prabhuji, they are doing offense of the Krishna, supreme personality.
Oh, where is question offense comes? Offense on the sadhana level, where for perfection, there is no question of offense. Offense on the sadhana level, just like when you want to love someone, before love there will be very systematic things. If I tell, she will feel bad. If she feels, if I tell, but when he loving relation is established, there is question of offense. There is no offense on perfection level. Offense on sadhana level. Do you understand this point?
Yes, Prabhuji, right. Prabhuji.
So they have attained the perfection. So there is no question of offense. Therefore, when they are shouting on Krishna, abusing of Krishna, this gopis, you are debauchee. You will not allow you to see Radharani. They are shouting on Krishna. And Krishna was feeling very happy inside. So because they attain perfection. As long as you are not attain the perfection, then there is so much offense. When you reestablish your relationship, just like father, always take son on lap, and sometimes child pass the urine stool, he does not feel bad. Do you understand my point?
Yes,
So
Prabhuji. Yes,
hence all these things on sadhana platform, not on perfection platform.
all right, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji.
On perfection platform, only sweet, very relation is very sweet and loving. Even insulting, shouting. You cannot see some husband, wife sometimes shout on husband,
Yes.
but husband does not mind.
Right. Yes, Prabhuji. Thank you very much, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
So any more question and comment?
If there are
Yes,
no more
Mataji.
questions or comment, I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Madan Gopal Prabhuji. I just saw him in the group.
Oh, I am seeing also. Dandavot Prabhu.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Danda Pranam.
Please accept our humble obeisances. There's a question from Prahlad. Prahlad, kindly unmute and ask your question.
No, it's me who wanted to ask. Prabhuji, I heard. Hare
Oh,
Krishna.
sadhana.
Sadhana Mataji.
Welcome.
Pranam. Okay, now.
Yes.
Dandavat Pranam.
Yes,
Yeah,
continue.
ask. We don't have much time.
Now, what I was asking is, I heard of those Vrajavasis that later on they told that they told Krishna, we will not say your name, we will say Radhe Radhe. So I heard someone was telling me that until now they say Radhe Radhe, they don't want to mention the name of Krishna. Prabhuji, what's your take on this? Because I feel like they really hated him because he left them.
No, but you can't tell Hare Krishna. Prabhupada taught us Hare Krishna.
Yeah, but I'm saying
When
there
time
they
will
still-
come, you'll able to understand that
Yes.
hate is a result of greatest love.
Oh,
That hate is a result of greatest love. When we come on that level, we'll able to understand. Present time, just you say Hare Krishna.
yeah.
When
Okay,
gopis hate, when they are suffering, they are not suffering. They are very blissful.
Yeah.
We see they are suffering. We see Mother Yashoda is suffering in separation of Krishna. Nanda Baba, actually that is a result of greatest love. So we'll able to understand when we come, we make advancement.
Yeah. No, but there was an explanation that that separation was due to love. I wanted to finish.
Yeah, matlab, love means you don't, love means you all the time remember. So when we separation, we remember all the time. That is called love.
Yes.
So love means you don't forget. So that is judgment. When we separation means you all you never forget, all the time remember.
Yes. Thank you, Prabhuji. I've
Thank you
understood.
very much.
Yeah.
Any other comment and questions?
Hare Krishna, there are no more questions or comments. I hand over to Path Prabhuji. Prabhuji.
Yes. Thank you very much, Prabhuji, for your wonderful class. After a long time, we got association from you. We are so grateful. I also grateful all the devotees who join in this session. I request all the devotees, please unmute yourself and chant Hare Krishna mantra for glorification of His grace, Umapati Prabhuji. Please join. Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.